Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps, for example Play Store. Now click on this button with 3 lines and click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app. Over here select floating window, and as you can see now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to make it smaller, click on home button twice. If you wish to make it bigger, just tap on it. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it wherever you wish to. You can also tap on the other app, for example calendar, and use it overlay calendar. If you wish to close it though, you can do that by clicking on this X at the top right corner, or just tapping on this button with 3 lines and closing your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!